Hey there, YouTubers. So we got a lot of irons in the fire, and one of them is a kettle corn business. We do kettle corn, caramel corn, cotton candy, and once in a while we'll do pork rinds. And when we do the pork rinds, I got a little propane stand and a 5-gallon Dutch oven, and it does pretty good, but it's kind of hard keeping the oil up at 400 degrees, and we get maybe a bag out of each batch that I do. So we were looking for a way to do them a lot quicker. So we thought, well, heck, we have this great big kettle. Why don't we just put some oil in it and try it? And so we did that last time, and it worked great. Check it out.
Good morning, you pork rind festival lovers. We've got a kettle corn cooker here, and we're doing our pork rinds in a pretty easy way. We've kind of figured it out. Look at them go. We've got a grill grate from a round grill. We just sit down in there and hold them down for 60 seconds. We've got our sifting table here. We'll put them on there. Pull them out here in a minute. Is that pretty easy?
Yes, it is. Look at it.
Look how beautiful.
Popped up perfect.
Now we're going to scoop them out, let them drain, season them up. Ranch, plain, barbecue, hot, whatever you want. Just a sizzling. We do quite a few at a time, which that's the main goal here. And to make sure they cook up just perfect. That's how you do it. Say hello. Hello. Goodbye.
Well, guys, thanks for watching that little clip, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you later.